Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Listening Room.
Hi, friends. I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. We are very happy you are here today.
This podcast is for beginners, people who are learning English at level A1.
Yes, we speak slowly and clearly. You can listen and repeat with us.
We will learn 20 very common English sentences you can use every day.
And we will do shadowing practice. That means you will listen first, then speak after us.
We will also tell you when to use each sentence.
Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Good morning. Good morning. We say this in the morning, before 12 o'clock. Say it with us again. Good morning. Good morning.
Number 2.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We say this after lunch, around 12 to 5 o'clock. Say it again.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Number 3. Good evening. Good evening. We say this after the sun goes down, but before bed. Say it again. Good evening. Good evening.
Number 4. Good night. Good night. We say this when we go to sleep. Say it again. Good night. Good night.
Number 5. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? We say this when we meet someone, a friend, classmate, or new person. Say it again. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Number 6.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you. Say this when someone asks, "How are you?" Say it again.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Number 7. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say this when you meet someone for the first time. Say it again. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Number 8. How's your day?
How's your day?
Ask this to be friendly. Say it again.
How's your daddy?
How's your day?
Number 9. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Say this when the weather is nice. Say it again. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Number 10. I'm happy today. I'm happy today. Say this when you feel good. Say it again. I'm happy today. I'm happy today.
Number 11. I'm tired. I'm tired. Say this when you need rest. Say it again. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Number 12. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Say this when you want to rest a little. Say it again. Let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Now let's learn polite words. They are very small but very important.
Number 13. Please. Please. Say this when you ask for something. Say it again. Please. Please.
Number 14. Thank you. Thank you. Say this when someone helps you. Say it again. Thank you. Thank you.
Number 15. You're welcome. You're welcome. Say this when someone says thank you to you. Say it again. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Number 16. Excuse me. Excuse me. Say this to get someone's attention or to move past them. Say it again. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Number 17. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Say this when you make a mistake. Say it again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Number 18. Can you help me? Can you help me? Say this when you need help. Maybe you don't understand something. Say it again. Can you help me? Can you help me?
Number 19. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Say this when you travel or are in a new place. Say it again. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
Number 20. See you later. See you later. Say this when you leave a friend, but we'll meet again soon. Say it again. See you later. See you later.
Number 21. What's your name? What's your name? Ask this when you meet someone new. Say it again. What's your name? What's your name?
Number 22. My name is Anna. My name is Anna. Say this to tell people your name. Say it again. My name is Anna. My name is Anna.
Number 23. Where are you from? Where are you from? Ask this to know someone's country. Say it again. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Number 24. I'm from Japan. I'm from Japan. Say your country's name here. Say it again. I'm from Japan. I'm from Japan.
Number 25. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Say this when you say goodbye to someone. Say it again. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Wow, you learned 25 sentences today.
Yes, let's remember the main ideas. 1. Say good morning or hello to be friendly. 2. Use please and thank you to be polite. 3. Say I'm sorry when you make a mistake. 4. Say, "Can you help me?" when you need help. 5. Always speak slowly and clearly.
And practice every day. That's the best way to learn English.
Now please write in the comments, what sentence did you like most? Which one will you use today?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you for listening to the 2000-Volt English Podcast.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.